I zip the metal up, hide my face in the dark. Heavy footsteps echo, hear my own heart spark. They see a monster, wires, teeth and glare, but inside I'm just shaking, trying not to stare. They think I'm fearless, built out of steel. Truth is, I don't know how I'm supposed to feel. It's easier to roar than it is to speak. Easier to hide when you feel too weak. So I wear the suit that scares the crowd, clanking fear, I'm feeling loud. They run away, but they don't see I'm hiding from who I'm scared to be. Yeah, the suit's a lie, but it's my shield. From butterflies I can't conceal. Hallway lights, laughter passing by. I freeze up every time you catch my eye. Words get stuck, my circuits jam. So I'll play the part of the boogeyman. They scream and laugh, say what a fright. If only they knew I'll panic every night. It's not the dark or losing control. It's talking to you that rattles my soul. So I wear the suit that scares the crowd, rusty grin, I'm feeling loud. They run away, but they don't see I'm hiding from who I'm scared to be. Yeah, the suit's a lie, but it's my shield. From butterflies I can't conceal. One day I'll step out, drop the disguise, no glowing eyes, no alibis. Till then I'll stomp, I'll creak, I'll